Good. Good, good, good.
Save it.
Yeah. All right. So now the easiest thing to do, click up in the left-hand corner where it says Solutions for Daily Living. In the black.
Yes.
Yeah. Click that. When you click on that, so you're logged in, right? This is the dashboard. That's the back end. Yeah. So visit site. So once you're logged in, and you know you're logged in because at the top you see that black bar, right? So that's how you know you're logged in. When you're logged into the site, you can navigate to any page that you want, and then you can edit that page, and it's the easiest way to get to the page you want to edit. So, right, so services, and click on consultations.
I have too many things open. The computer's moving really slow.
And then in the black bar there where the D is in the circle and it says Enable Visual Builder, that's what you want to click on, Enable Visual Builder. And it loads, and then, oh, that's fine. You can just click Start Building. I mean,
Start building.
it's loading.
It's loading. It's loading.
There we go. All right. So what's nice? It's almost, oh.
Just trying to update, of course.
That's fine. So what's nice about this software, this Divi software, is like you're in the editor, even though it looks just like the page. But as you mouse over things, you see it you get the square around it. So you just go right in and just start typing.
And just like that, Dorothy's magically changed, but I could take all that out.
Yeah. So it's up to you, if you want to delete it or just keep it updated.
Well, now I could just keep it updated, I suppose. So.
And then.
So save it is.
Where?
Yeah, or you don't have to do that. It's just you change it, you're done.
No, I feel like there is a save, and I have to look now because I don't even remember. Because I'm not seeing your full screen. A little bit of it's cut off, so I don't know if. Like scroll down to the bottom. Scroll all the way down.
I am.
Oh, you know what? Oh, there's 3 dots. You see the 3 dots in the purple circle at the bottom?
Right. That's it. That's
that. Click on that.
There's
and then save. There you go.
Oh, okay.
And then you check, and and the save turned into a little check. So now that's saved. So that's it. So if you're just doing a text edit, it's that easy. If you want to add things or move things, then it's a little bit more complicated.
Okay.
Like if you wanted to add another person or take a person, or like go over to the bios under services, practitioner bios.
Okay. Services, practitioner bios. Okay. Come on.
Did you click on it?
I did.
It's just being slow.
I don't know why it's not moving. Oh, it just did. Oh no, that's still consultations.
Yeah, you're still on consultations.
Services. Practitioner bios.
What's an energy word? Oh, and here's, and this is where I don't know, how much you want to keep up with this kind of stuff. Because so consultations, we have the 3. There's Dorothy, Anne, and who else do we have in there?
Doesn't want to switch. Is there something I need to do on this page that I'm on that it doesn't want to switch?
Maybe.
Do I have to X on the bottom? Do I need to close it, or?
That closes that little menu. I don't know if maybe there's an exit.
Should I close that menu? Wait.
Hold on a second. I'm going to jump on another page and just see. All right, so I'm in edit mode. Oh wait, I just ended up jumping into consultations. Yeah, you know what? That's why it's not working. You have to get out of the editor, but I don't even see, I don't see it either. I don't see a way to exit the editor. That's crazy.
Editing history, settings.
At the top in the black, I just thought.
Okay.
The black bar at the top, exit visual builder. To the
Exit
right,
visual builder.
exit.
Okay.
That's what we
Each
need.
page you have to exit visual builder.
Right, and now you're not editing that page, and that's why it wasn't working. That's why I wasn't going to another page. So now you can go under services.
And then you have to go back to each, safe to do it with each page. Okay. Services. Now I want to go to enable visual builder.
Right.
It's just like, I mean, Sarah Bastian, I love her. We just can't seem to get it together to do any work. Do I really want to leave her up there?
Okay. Well, I was gonna say too, because even like the energy work page, you know, are these people still doing things? You have Maureen, Bobby Light, Donna Sweeney,
Susan Berger.
Candy, Linda
Just-
Elliott. No. I'm looking. Sorry, I'm looking at the energy work page.
Oh, I'm at the consultation.
But for you, right? So for you, for the bios, you know, but bios are a little different. It doesn't necessarily hurt, like, because it makes it look good that you work with all these people. But if there's somebody you're definitely not going to work with anymore, then
Right.
you know it doesn't hurt. You know, you might want to remove them.
Right. That's such an old picture, Maureen. Mitch is in Florida.
Okay.
Robert's busy with Civil War conspiracies.
Well, something. Well, you know what? But like Robert Phoenix, you know, it's different because it's COVID. But I mean, he's a regular at least a couple times a year for you,
Yeah,
so you might
yeah.
want to leave him on there. But
Right.
like Mitch is in Florida. If he's not planning on coming up,
I don't know if he's doing Zoom. I should try to get hold of him.
okay.
I love Mitch, but yeah, he's in Florida.
Right. So the question is there anyone on here that needs to come out?
Well, I think we could definitely take out Donna Fleming.
Okay.
I don't want to take out Bobby. Veronica's not doing anything. Jackie Ginter, she's not going to be doing anything.
Okay. So what you need to do is
I click on it.
right. Well, no. So if you click on it, it's gonna go into the edit, right? So this is exactly what you want. You just want to mouse over, and you get that little bar right there, and then you hit the trash can, and it'll delete it.
All right.
It'll delete just that block. There you go.
Very fantastic. So awesome. You know, Michelle's not doing great, but I don't want to really take her out yet. Donna Fleming is not going to be doing anything.
Okay. And then so before you delete it, hold on, just so you see the one in the middle, the little square with the other square behind it, that one,
Right.
that's the copy. So if you wanted to add another person, the easiest thing to do is to copy, like figure out where you're going to edit it, where you're going to add it. If it's going to be below her,
Right.
then you can just copy hers, and then you go in and change it. If you're adding someone new.
Right, got it.
So if you're adding someone new, the easiest thing to do is to copy someone else and then change it.
So kind of like Constant Contact.
Yeah.
And then there's a library where you can go get pictures or import pictures.
Yeah.
Or
Yeah, and if you click
Yeah.
on Michael's picture. Maybe double click. Why is it not? There it goes.
Okay.
So now this is a little weird, the way it does it. So if you are editing that section,
Right.
for some reason, this is just how the builder's made, where you're no longer in the visual end of things, and you see his name there, and you got to scroll down. Like this is a specific kind of like module for how I created this page, but scroll down
On this little block.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, and so you can edit the description directly. You can also edit it from here. But the reason I'm showing you this is because this is actually where you would change the picture, where it says image. You would click on image. So if you want to, like, let's say he had an updated photo, right there where it says image, right where you scroll back down. Yeah, image.
And then you see that, then you could change his picture.
Right, and then if you click, and then I think you click on it. Yeah, click on it.
And then
it goes into the library. And then the library, you can drag and drop photos from your desktop, or you can upload, like the little tab says upload, you can upload it and browse. So that's just an example. If he had an updated picture, you'd go into the block, you'd go into the image, and then you'd upload the new picture of them, and you can swap it out.
Right. So I could upload from my computer.
Yes.
The pictures that I have, new pictures that I have. Okay. This is where I would do it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Cool. I don't know who created that little infinity guy.
Yeah.
That was inspired.
Yeah, I love it. I absolutely love it.
I mean, it is amazing, from the 6 dots to the upside down heart to the infinity legs.
Yep.
It couldn't be better.
Yep.
You probably would want to put something on here about, because I know I'm working on that piece with products. I definitely want to put something up about, okay. And while we're talking about this, you could show me where we're putting those products in, because I could start putting more products in and putting, all right, so I want to get back. So if I want to get out of this now, right now.
So X out, the top right, there's a little X.
Okay. Okay.
And then you didn't actually change anything. The bottom, there's the red X and the purple arrow and the blue. Yeah.
So the red X closes that.
Yeah.
This card changes.
Right, because
if I want to save them, I click the right.
Correct. And then you're gonna, we need to save it. So click on your purple circle there with the dots. Save.
Okay, save.
And then up at the top, exit.
We're going to exit. Cool. Okay.
There you go. All right. So now we're going to get back into the dashboard. So click on the name again up at the top left, the solutions, and dashboard.
Okay.
All right. And then, so the shopping cart software we use is called WooCommerce. So on the left, there's that menu on the left, there's WooCommerce, and below it is products. On the left.
WooCommerce. Ooh. WooCommerce.
Yeah. So go over some more to the left.
WooCommerce.
And then products, right below it is products.
Just all products?
Yeah, click on all products, yeah. You're on WooCommerce. You got to get, yeah. Products. You want products.
Products.
There you go.
All products. Now, do you need to put them in by category, or you do that later? You have categories that you select, lamps, jewelry, candles. They give you these. You don't have to create.
No, I made them for you.
Oh, you did? Okay.
So see, products is now highlighted on the left, and it says all products, add new categories, tags, attributes. So if you want to change any categories or add any categories, you click on categories.
Is over there. Okay, I see. Add new. So I can't add new. Got it.
Right.
I remember.
So
Did you record this for me? We should
It
have.
actually is recording. It is recording. I can save it and
Cool.
play it.
Okay, fantastic.
All right. So here's your products. So that what you're clicked on now, let's select the category. That's just if you want to filter that way. We only have one item, so you don't have to worry about it. You can just click off of that right now. So I have my one little sample in here. This is the only product we have, but we'll walk through creating one just so you know how to do it.
Right, because I sent those products that I copied. I should have them somewhere in an email for you. I did it on this computer. I might be able to grab them. Is there a way for me to go to my desktop from this, or do I have to minimize it and look for it?
Well, you're looking for the text or the photos?
I had all the photos and the description that I pulled from Aromaland.
Okay. Yeah, you would have to just hop over, minimize it, and hop over to wherever.
All right, let's see. Because I did save it. This is it. Make sure this is it. Because they have great descriptions. We're ready to check for unwanted cookies. Go away. All right, so here it is. These are the products that I copied. So I have them. It's so if I want to grab this and put this in, there's a bunch. These are all different oils that I copied and grabbed their description.
Right. So now, the pictures you're gonna want to upload. We'll show you how to do that. Like, because you can't just copy and paste an image. You actually have to upload the image from where it is on your computer. But the text you can copy and paste.
Okay.
So let's do this, right? So just pick one and copy and paste the text for it.
Okay. Back.
And then go back over to WordPress.
All right, so where are you?
Where is, you need your browser, go over to the left too. No, because that's the Zoom. No, the little like wave little thing is the browser, that guy. And then the one that says products, yeah, that's the window, yeah. There you go. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna add new product up a little bit, yeah, add new.
Okay.
Oh, hit that thanks button. I just updated the database. It was asking for it. But.
And I just paste into there.
I'll have to, we're gonna have to update your server. So, well, no, this is just the name. So that's just, I don't know if you,
French lavender essential oil, just type that in.
yeah.
I don't know, should they all be caps?
Yeah, I would, since it's the title.
Yeah.
All right, and then down below, click there, and that's where you're gonna paste, and then paste.
It's the French, thank goodness.
There you go. And then there's, the reason these are underlined in red is because there's not a space where the colon is and then the next word.
Oh, so when I copied it, it took the space out. Got it. It does that a lot in Constant Contact too. It means
yeah. Well, Word does weird stuff. Like it copies a lot of code with it a lot of times, and it kind of messes things up. It just does weird things.
Okay.
All right, so there's your description, and then you scroll down here, and then this is where you add in your price.
Regular price, sale price. Okay. All right, so I have to go back. That's where I need to look at the prices. Okay.
Right, you got to look up the price.
That's fine.
And then, well, no, scroll back up. So no, go to where the price was. Sorry, go back down to where yeah. So here where the price is, you can see it's slightly highlighted where it says general to the left.
Right.
So there's inventory. So if you want to actually track inventory, you can also track inventory and put in how many you have, but you just have to remember, if you do want to track the inventory, then you got to remember to go in there, and when you get more stock in, you got to make sure you update the website.
Okay, so we do want to track inventory because eventually we want it to be a store. I mean, an actual working, go in and buy things.
Right. And then we also need to figure out the shipping at some point. Now, what we would probably do is just connect you to whatever you're using, USPS, UPS, FedEx, however you're shipping. We can connect it. We'll connect it to the WooCommerce system, but they also give you this tab where you can override shipping for a specific product.
Okay. So if you connect into shipping, I mean, how would they know what the shipping cost? Most of the people I know, they'll tell me they'll calculate shipping and get back to me. They don't do it through their site.
Right. Well, so if you want like live rates from the post office or UPS, you'd have to put in the weight of the item and like what size it is, and then but the tricky thing is if people are getting multiple items,
right,
then it doesn't know. I don't think it knows how it's going to pack it. And that's where you have to kind of just experiment. Or what you might do is you can actually create your own shipping prices based on weights.
Right.
So, if things are lighter, you're charging one rate, and up to a certain heaviness, it's a different rate.
Right.
So that way it's not going by the individual items as much. So somebody might order a couple different oils or a couple different crystals, and you're not going to end up charging them extra because it's just, unless it's over a certain weight. So that's another way to do it too, is anything up to, 5 pounds is just a flat rate, $7 shipping. And then anything up to, 20 pounds is a flat rate.
Right.
And that's where you might want to look at, depending on who you're using. If you're using USPS, they have those flat rate boxes. So
right,
you just have to decide how you're shipping things, and then we'll figure out how to make the shipping work for you. But the idea is to get it so that they pay everything all together at once, the product and the shipping, and that way it's not giving you more work to do.
right.
So
that makes sense to do that.
Right. So anyway, so this is where you would track it if you wanted to. If you do want to track your actual inventory, you would check. There's that little box right there, enable stock management at product level. Yeah.
I see inventory. Right. Checked on inventory.
They're right. We're on.
Enable
that.
stock management.
Yeah, click that. And that's where, if you want to really track your inventory, like per piece, you can do it there.
Those stock thresholds here. That's funny because that usually is my stock threshold is too. Time to order. Right. Okay.
Right. So that's where you would do it. And you can also allow back orders if you want.
Okay.
So that is where you would track that.
Why not?
Right.
Allow but notify customer. Yes.
Right. All right. And then to the right, you'll see product image. And that's where you're going to upload your photo.
Okay, to the right.
Product image, product gallery.
Product short description.
So scroll.
Just visual?
No. On the right.
Go up.
Yeah. So there's a bunch of boxes there on the right hand side. Product categories, product tags, product image.
At the top?
No, on the right.
On the right. What am I saying? Under your face.
Oh, I'm probably blocking it. Our
Product.
little thing's probably blocking it. That's probably
Okay,
why.
product categories. Artwork,
Right.
photography, is that what you want?
So right, so that's where you're gonna pick your category, right? So scroll down inside that box. There's probably either an oil or essential oil.
Candles, cards, clothing. It's
Essential oil, right? So that's your category, and
Right.
then down the main scroll bar, scroll that. Now product tags.
Right.
Product tags are mainly for SEO purposes. So you don't have to use them, but it doesn't hurt, right? So
You're talking about my UPS symbols, not the UPS, the SKUs on the barcodes.
no. The product tag is just if you're tagging a word with other kind of categories or subcategories.
What we call attribute. Okay, so
right, like
product tag is like our attribute.
Like healing and oils and
right.
lavender, something like that.
So a product tag would be like for us, I guess it would be essential oil, because that's how we put them in the.
Yeah, which is also the category, so it's a little bit redundant, but it doesn't hurt to type it in again.
Okay, can always change it.
And then you hit add, right? And then I would also put in lavender as a tag. And this just helps if somebody's searching. So if somebody's specifically searching for lavender, they would see if you had lavender oil and lavender.
So should we put French lavender because there's also Bulgarian lavender?
Yeah, well, that's fine.
Because people like the different types. They definitely have a preference.
Right, and then add that. Right, and you can add as many tags as you want. You can't really overdo adding your tags because it just helps with your search engine optimization.
Okay.
And then right below that is your product image.
I should put in aromatherapy.
Yes. Oh, that's perfect. Yes. That's a perfect example of a tag versus. Now the other thing, so add that.
Okay.
Now you can also, and here's the thing is, you can also have an aromatherapy category because things can be in more than one category.
Right.
So you could also add an aromatherapy category if you wanted to. All right, so below that is your product image.
So we could put, let's say we could do relaxation, energizing, or just like certain oils are for relaxation.
Yes.
Certain oils are for rejuvenation.
Yes.
Some are for energizing.
Yes, those are all good tags.
And then there's aromatherapy, there's singles, and then there's blends. There's essential oil singles, and then there's essential oil blends.
Right.
So.
Yeah, those are all perfect examples. Well, you don't need, so you already have essential oil as a tag.
Just write blend.
Right, you can just write blend.
Blends and single note. Blends. And then single note. People who know oils will know what that means.
There you go. All right, so go to set product image below. And you can always come back to this and add, and edit whatever you need. All right, so you click that. It always brings up your library. And then you can either drag and drop or up under where it says product image, there's upload files.
So I want to upload files. That's on my desktop, right?
Yes, click upload files and then click select files. And then this is browsing your desktop. So do you know where the images are saved?
It's under Aromaland oils, Aromaland essential oils.
That's a Word doc though. No, well, that's the thing, because you can't.
They're inside that.
Where did you get that from?
From their website. But now
So,
it's on my desktop, so I could take it out of the
but,
Word
but
document.
no, how did you get the images into the Word doc?
I just did a copy paste. I just put it in.
Okay.
Copied it from their website and just put it in.
So what you need to do then is, so I would create, like I would organize your desktop a little bit, create like a store folder, like a product folder. You might even want to use the same categories we're using. So you might want to have like uh, an essential oil folder and salt lamp folder, whatever it's going to be. And then in there you have your individual, like, so I would organize your desktop however we're going to organize the website, so you keep things very well organized and easy to find. What you
Okay.
need to do though is, so if you got those pictures from their website, you're going to have to go to their website and then save the pictures to that folder on your desktop.
Okay.
So like this is
So I gotta get it.
Aroma Land. Is that what it is? What is it?
Yes, it's Aroma Land.
Right. So I would create an Aroma Land folder. I would create a product folder, in there an essential oil folder, and in there you have Aroma Land, and then in there you have all your Aroma Land products.
I
And
just wonder
then,
if I can't just pull the picture out. I don't know what it's created in.
well, you should be able to just save it from their website, but you're gonna, instead of copying and pasting it, you're gonna save it to your desktop, and then that way from your desktop you can upload it to WordPress.
So you don't think I can just pull the picture out of the document I have?
You can't copy and paste. It needs to actually upload it to the WordPress server. So do the search. I don't know what it's waiting to load, but you can click their little search bar. No, on the page. Or, well, that's fine too. You just need to get to your French lavender, wherever it was.
Log in. What?
He probably just wants it to be capital. I think that's why it's underlined. The images are copyrighted, so it's not
They're
gonna let.
copyrighted, so you can't, you're telling me you can't grab it.
Well, hit the OK. Hit the OK. No, in the little pop-up window that came up.
Oh,
Hit that OK.
okay.
Does it let you right click on it?
No.
That's when it pops up, huh? What about that? Can you right click on that? There you
Yes.
go.
Save as.
Yeah. And then, so this is where you want to get organized and create a store folder for yourself where you're going to start storing all your text and images.
So file name, store essential oils.
Well, no, with the file name's fine, but you want to create a folder.
Okay.
You want to start, creating a hierarchy of folders. So you want to have a product folder somewhere, and in that an essential oil folder, and in that an Aromaland folder, and then in that you can save all your Aromaland pictures.
Okay, now it gives me a drop down here. It says web page HTML
Single, web page.
or
So it's still not letting you save the actual image. It's trying to save it as a web page, not the image. Huh. I'm not sure how that works. You might have to write them, because if they're giving you the right to resell it, they have to be able to
I think
give
that it
you.
would be, I had asked them about it. They don't have, none of them have a problem with me pulling things from their catalogs. So
Right,
I
but their website won't let you get the images.
won't let me get the images. Okay.
So they might have to send you the images then.
All right.
Um,
You know, I wonder if I could convert it. You know how Constant Contact lets you convert
Yeah.
things?
Well, right, but this is a little different. Well, the weird thing is on my Mac, it's letting me grab it. On my Mac, I can grab it, so it's just protected somehow on the PC.
I need a Mac.
Huh.
Got it.
Let me see. Or wait, will it? Let me. Yeah, let me save it for my Mac. It's weird.
So what kind of a Mac do you have?
It's well, I mean, I got a couple of different types. This is an iMac that I'm on right now. But whatever little code they have in their site that gives you that pop up, apparently it's not coded to work on Macs, I guess. All right. Well, all right. So this is what I'm going to do. I want to rename this too.
We sell a lot of their oils. I can't call them until Monday, but I'll have to ask them about that. You can call them, put that on my list, call Arona Land Pictures.
Yeah, it's weird. All right, hold on. Can you close the door? Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
All right. So I mean, the bottom line is this is basically what you need to do for all your products is you got to get the images actually saved as images on your computer so that you can upload them into WordPress's system. So that means that either they need to send you the images, which might be the easiest way to do it. It's like
Right.
they might be able to just send them all right to you in a file or on a disk or something or whatever. But if not, what you're doing is, because this is typically how you do it, is you would just navigate to their website and just grab the product image. I mean, most of the time that works. They just happen to have the pictures copyright protected for some odd reason. So, all right, so close this. Go back to our product tab. You can close that. You can close that window then, and then go to media library. I don't know if we're gonna see it. I uploaded it for you. Yeah, it's not there though. All right, so X out of that, and then so let's save this. Scroll up, and then you see where it says publish on that right column again. There's Divi page settings and then publish, save draft, and preview. So save draft.
Save draft.
All right, and then I want you to reload this page. So you know how to reload you can I think you can just right click.
Right click here.
Yeah, and refresh.
Okay.
All right, and now scroll back down to where the picture is. Keep going, product image. There you go. So product image, set product image, click that again. There it is. So I added it while we were talking. So there's your picture.
So now, how am I going to put this in?
So click on it. And then bottom right, set product image. And there it is. And then you're going to save it again. Save. Oh, so instead of saved, so you saw the save. No, go back up to the top. So there's a save draft, but if you scroll down a little bit, there's also a publish button. Scroll back down just a little. Now scroll back down a little bit, and there's a publish. See the publish button?
Right.
So if you're ready, so there's a save draft. If you're still working on it, if you're ready to publish it, you can hit the publish button. You can go ahead and publish it because the store's not live yet. It's the only way to see it.
Okay.
All right, so we just added a product.
So when somebody goes on, what are they going to say? How are they going to see it?
So go. I think by default it's just store. Let me look. No, it's not. How do we get to the store? Huh. Oh, maybe it's shop. The software, yes, the software creates this by default. So where your name is, solutionsfordailyliving.com.
Uh-huh.
So no, the .com, up there. So yeah, delete everything after the slash. So it's gonna be .com/shop. So you want the slash, and then there you go. Delete that. Just type shop. And hit return, hit enter. There you go.
I did. It just took a little.
So here we go. And we just added the essential oil.
And our sample book is Angel something. Angel.
Well, yeah, that's my novel that I'm working on.
Oh, cool.
I actually have a new cover. I got to update the cover, but I still have a long way to go before the book gets published. I was hoping to get it finished in 2020 when COVID hit. I was like, oh, I'll have time to work on my book. And I actually had a ton. I was busier than I've ever been. I just had people constantly calling me for design work. And 2020 was probably the busiest year I've ever had.
I mean, of course, because people like me, I mean, I wasn't in the store, but I was working on other things. That's how Illuminescence came into being.
Right.
You know, what can we do in the store?
Well, right. And that's the thing, because all of a sudden everyone had to switch to online and focus on their website. So I suddenly got very busy. So click on it, click on lavender, and it'll show you. So this is what the individual product page looks like.
Essential oil tags, aromatherapy, blends, essential oil, French lavender.
So it shows your category, shows your tags, and then scroll down and you see your description. Now, if you put, we forgot to we didn't put a pricing because you didn't have one. If you put a price in, you would have seen it up there as well.
Right. Right. This is great. See, they give you great information. They give you its origin, cultivation, extraction method, what it's extracted from. They're really good in that way. Their website is perfect, and Color Energy is the same way. And they told me I could just copy anything I wanted from their website as well. So.
Yep. So let's go back in. So in the black bar where Solutions for Daily Living is, click on that. Go to dashboard. Oh wait. Oh no. I'm sorry. You don't even have to do that. All right. Here, go. Just use the back button. The back arrow up at the top. Yeah. Because I just realized this right at the top, there's edit product. Yeah, so edit product. And then scroll down and just make up a price. Like I just want you to see what it looks like with the price in there.
Okay. I don't know. I'm going to say $17.
And you don't need the dollar sign, just the number. That's it. And then on the right-hand side, you got to scroll back up to see the publish button. And you're going to hit publish or update, or it'll say update.
It says update.
That's update, right. So once it's published, it changes to update. So update, and it's been, there you go. And then up at the top in the black, there's blue view product, and it'll bring you back to the product page. So there you go. Cool. So now you see the price. We didn't add a quantity, so that's why it says available on back order.
Okay.
So if you put a quantity in, then it'll, I guess, tell you how many are in stock.
Right.
And I don't know why there's not an add to cart button though, because there should be. Like there's no button to buy it, and I don't. So I have to check on that. I don't know why the buy button is missing.
Okay.
So that's how you add a product. It's that simple.
All right, cool.
So you can get to work adding all the products that you want.
And get to work. Woohoo. And I can take people out and put people in.
Yep.
Got it. We'll change costs. Perfect. All right. Thank you, Greg.
Yep. So, all right.
To get into some more details, and this is recorded. You can send me the recording.
Yes.
I need a little update. I'm gonna try to do some work on it today so I don't forget. Just do it.
Yeah. So there you go. And then if you need to edit any of the pages that are a little more complicated, then just let me know. But at least now, like you see, it's really easy with this editor. If you just need to change some text on any of the pages, it's very easy to do.
Right.
And it's very easy to add the products and edit the products.
Right. So, eventually I'm probably going to want to put like a inspirational page or something, or inspiration of the month, or energy of the month page. We can put something in that people can see. But
yeah, that'd be great. You can do it as like a blog or something as well.
Yeah.
And then just so you see this. So from any page, time is almost up. Up at the top in the black, just hover over where it says new.
Yes.
So as long as you're logged in somewhere, you can create. So post is actually for a blog. So you can create a new blog post. You can create a new page, and you can create a new product.
What's a landing page?
If you need to create a new page for the website.
Oh.
But you're probably not going to do that.
So if I wanted to do a new page and say the energy of the month, the color, the ray, whatever.
Right. Well, what you have to decide is if you're going to do it as a blog or a page. So if you want to do a blog, then it's a post. They call that a post.
Right.
When you're adding it to the blog.
But if I wanted to do it as a page, would they go into the page and I would just change it by month instead of a blog, I think, is something that people are constantly adding to, aren't they?
Right. Well, right. Yes, you are correct. Yeah. If you're gonna delete the old text each month and add the new text, then
Right.
You would do it as a page.
So I think that would be the way, unless you think a blog is better, so they could go back and say, oh, well, look, the energy of January was blue, and this, that, and that. And the
Right.
energy of February is whatever it is for February or March. Because that's really the intention, is the energy, the color, the ray, which angels, what is the energetic of the month?
Right.
I don't want to get more specific than that because it's going to be too time consuming.
Right. Yeah. So that's really the main difference. If you want people to be able to reference it and you want it to stay on there, then you want it as a blog post.
Okay.
It also helps your SEO because you're adding all these new pages every time you post a new month.
Okay.
Then we just have to decide how people are going to get to it. You need a button to it, or we have to add it to the menu somehow or something like that.
So if we did, we'd have to have something that said blog.
So when you create a post, it automatically adds it into the blog, and then you also can create categories for your blog as well.
So if I click on this.
Yeah.
It does nothing.
There it goes. So hit next. What? It's just running through. No, you can X out of that. That's fine. All right. So there's two ways to edit. There's WordPress's default editor, and then there's the Divi editor, which is the one we're using on your other pages. So it's probably going to be easier if you stick to using the Divi builder.
Okay.
And it's loading. There you go. All right. Now, so build from scratch, clone, or choose a pre-made layout. you're probably just building from scratch. But once you create your page, then you can just clone it. But if you want to browse layouts and see if there's something you want, but unless you know what it's going to look like, you're probably just creating from scratch.
Right.
There might be a simple.
Yeah, there may be something that's just easy to plug into, or you think not.
Pack. I don't know why it calls it a pack. This might be like templates for the whole site.
Oh, no, we don't want that. Bye-bye.
Huh. Oh, so there we go. So this is what it looks like by default. I don't know why it says uncategorized. Where's the title? I don't know why there's no title either.
Join our text message list. 57711. People have been doing that because I'm up to 700 for some people. But what's interesting about that is they never remember to show me. Solutions people are very interesting. They don't remember when we're doing sales. They don't remember to show, with few exceptions, with people who want to come in and negotiate prices. They don't remember to show me that when they join that text, they automatically, during the week, one time get 15% off or 10% off.
Right.
And they don't remember. Or it was their birthday. Hello,
right.
It was your birthday last week. Well, why didn't you tell me? Show me you got a message for discount.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so this is a new post. So you're going to click in the box where you're going to put your text. I'm wondering if the uncategorized, I don't know if that's the page title or the category. Click on uncategorized, see what.
Doesn't do anything yet.
I wonder if we're better off with the regular page builder. Because the only thing with this visual builder is it doesn't show you where to add. It doesn't show you where you're checking off your category and adding your image for it.
Okay.
Let's trash this. Go in the purple down at the bottom there. Just hit the little trash can. Yes. What?
All right. Try this again.
Oh, I guess that's not. Oh, that's just. Oh, because it's just trying to clear what you're on. It's not actually deleting the page. So what happens if there's no way? I guess just exit. Just exit at the top, and we'll. Right above where you are. To the right.
Exit post. Got it. We have unsaved changes. Discard. And
Yeah, discard and exit. Yeah. All right, so let's start from here. Add your title. Well, no, don't hit the edit. Yeah, see where it says add title up the top. Yeah. So this is, energy of the month or whatever you want to call it, or
I know what I'm going to do. It's going to be their explore, experience, expand. So then it's going to have that for the month. Explore, experience, and expand. Infinite possibilities for the month. Okay. Now just go to.
and then hold on before you click on that. Over to the right, You see categories and tags
I'm gonna move the picture again.
down towards the bottom on the right. Yeah, there's all categories, tags, features,
Layout
image.
page, right side. I go past categories, okay. Okay,
So categories. So
energy work. Oh,
right.
no,
So
they don't want it to be under that. Right.
right, you can.
Add
You're
new,
like, yeah, create a new category. Or actually, one of the things we need to do where it says uncategorized, like that just needs to be like a generic name for your blog, or you can just be Soulutions blog or something like that. So the question is, do you want this to be a specific category or just like a general blog article?
I think general, because I'm not sure it's gonna go in different directions. It could be, I'd like them to understand the energy of the month. What are the energetics of the month?
Well, right. So then do you want to create a category that's, energetics of the month? It could be the category.
Okay. So unclick, I need to unclick, uncategorize,
But you're going to add a new category
right?
and then just type in, monthly energetics, energetic of the month, however you want to word it.
Still didn't do it right. What am I missing? Energetics. Energetics. Add new, just so energetics of the month. There a place to save that, or just go on
And
to
then add a new category. That's what you're clicking. There you go. And then you can uncheck the first one. There you go. And then if you want to, with blogs, you can have like a featured image that goes along with the blog post. So if there's an image you want to upload each month, then you would scroll down to where the images are. Feature image, featured image.
featured image. Okay.
And then just like before, so click set featured image, it's going to open the browser and you'd have to upload something or pick something.
Okay. Okay, so that's easy enough.
And then
So it's going to go into here. So if I wanted to, I don't think we have anything in here that I could play with. So we really don't have any energetic. We have February. We don't have anything like this, like the heart,
right.
because it's like it's February. It's all about the heart and,
Right.
and snow. So if I clicked on that,
And the bottom right, set as featured image. And then what I don't understand is if you don't want to use Divi Builder, up at the top, return to default editor. That's above your explore experience, expand.
return to.
There you go. And then you can just click and start writing. Or
So how does the image come in?
well, you'll see it when you publish it.
It went away. Okay. Here, for February is the month of love and snow.
Right.
I have to get something together about that.
Hey,
All right. So if I just go to publish, it'll just put that picture up.
Well, yeah, you can publish it. You can go ahead and publish it. You can always come back to it and edit it.
like, so I don't know, the Cancel Bryson's party, they haven't even plowed our street yet. I don't know what it's like around there, but,
Go ahead. Well, go ahead and hit
yeah,
publish,
yeah, I mentioned it to-
and you can come back to it and edit it.
Yeah.
yeah,
So that's in the right? The publish? Isn't that in that right?
It's oh yeah, we'll have to have it at the top. You can. I don't know why it moved. Right above where you are.
Oh, I see it. I keep having to move the pictures around. It's not-
Yeah. Well, for some reason this layout moved from how it was before. Publish. And then what I need to do is actually create a blog page for you.
yeah, I mean, it's not a problem.
I have to, wait, so it's not, the picture is not coming up on here. Yeah.
Well, no, because you have to see the actual page. We have to create a blog page. And the question is, where are we gonna
Yeah.
put it?
Well, we'll meet before the Super Bowl. Okay, all right. Bye.
All right. Well, I got to create the blog page.
Okay, well now I have a good idea of, I think, how to get around this. I have to play around with it so I don't forget what we just did. I gotta go out and shovel.
Yeah.
Doesn't seem to be falling as heavy, but there are an awful lot of snow on the little branches.
Yeah. There's a lot of snow, and it's still coming down pretty good where I am. It's not as thick. It's thinner flurries, but it's still coming down pretty hard.
Yeah. All
All right. Well, we'll stop here.
Yep.
I have to create a blog page and save it and have a way for you to get to it, so you can preview it, and then when we're ready, we'll add it to the main menu.
Okay, so one more thing before we get out of here. If I wanted to put something on the website for today is a snow day, is there a place there on the website to make a post like that?
Yeah. So let me see. What's the easiest way to do this? Like really, we want it like along the top or something.
Right.
Where's go to, hold on here. Yeah. Well, you want to all right, so this is published. Up in the upper left hand corner where the W is, that's a little WordPress logo. Click on that.
Okay.
And that brings you back to the dashboard. And then all right, so on that left hand sidebar, go down to appearance towards the bottom. Keep going. Yeah, appearance, and then customize. And this brings up like a whole different editor. This is how you actually customize the template.
Okay.
And is it header navigation? Click on header and navigation.
that are elements.
Try that. I'm trying to remember where the top bar is. There's your phone number. Oh, but it doesn't let you. I was hoping it would let you type in some text up there.
Right, so it could say, you know.
Well, let's do this. So right next, oh, but see, it's going to have the phone number.
Yeah, we'll let you get in there.
Well, no, well, that's editing the page. So we can do it that way too, where you can just edit that section. If we add it to the top, it's going to be on all the pages.
Well,
Which
if
is,
I put it in here, it's going to be all the pages where it says Solutions is now open.
the solutions are now open is only the home page.
Right. So if I did that, if I did that, and I said, you know, snow day, Sunday, February 7th.
Yeah, we can do it that way.
And that way I could tell people they could check on the home page
Yes.
for holiday and weather updates.
Yeah. So that's fine. Let's do it that way. So X out, the top left is the X.
Okay.
And then click on the name again, Solutions for Daily Living, right next to where you are. Yeah. All right, and then so we're back to the home page. So now enable Visual Builder up at the top. And we're gonna actually edit the page. There you go. And now you can click on that text and rewrite it. Just click. There you go.
Okay, so then I can say solutions snow day, February, close.
And then
I should say closed.
yes, it closed.
Okay.
And then the three little dots at the bottom to save. Click on that, save.
So when I go in, it's
And-
always going to take me, it'll take me to the home page.
Yeah, and then up at the top, exit Visual Builder. Yeah, so anytime you log into WordPress, you're on the dashboard, and then if you want to get back to the home page, you click on the Solutions for Daily Living in the top left.
Okay.
Anytime you click on that Solutions for Daily Living in the top left, it'll switch back and forth between the dashboard. That's how you get between the dashboard and the website.
Okay.
So, all right. So we're good for now.
Great. Thank you very much. Enjoy the day. I'm going to go shovel.
Yep. All right. I'll talk to you later. Thanks, honey.
All right. Take care.
Bye.